Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So today, for the 12 days of tutorial, I am going to be using the infamous Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. And I'm going to create a look, not sure what, but if you're interested, then keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be using this beauty for today. This was very loved back in the day, but I didn't really get to use it as much as I should have. So I'm bringing it to 12 days of tutorial so I can create a look with it to get re-inspired, and hopefully these eyeshadow palettes, you know, make an appearance in 2023. So let's jump right in. So I did my eyebrows with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to outline and the dual powder to fill them in. Then I carved the bottom of my eyelid. I carved the bottom of my eyebrow and primed my lids with MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then of course I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on. So now I'm gonna jump into the palette. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my jumbo brush, shader brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Breakaway, which is this nice like off-white color. It's a matte, so I'm just gonna apply, even though I already set it with my translucent powder, I still always like to get a shade from the palette to use to set my lids. That's just what I do. I like to use as many eyeshadows as I possibly can. Alrighty, so now I am going to go in with the shade, let's see, Rift. So I'm going to go in with this caramel brown right here, Rift, and I'm going to use that color, or I'm going to apply that color on the crease. So right here, like so, back and forth, windshield wiper motion. So back and forth and back and forth, very pigmented. Alrighty, now I'm gonna use this unnamed brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Good as Gone, which is this chocolatey brown shade, and I'm just gonna apply that to the outer part of my lid. So here, and it's really pigmented, so make sure you only tap your brush because it's really pigmented. Now I'm gonna go back into my blending brush, no additional product, and I'm just gonna blend the edges. Alrighty, so now I'm going to apply a shimmer shade. So I always apply a glitter glue no matter what. So I'm going to use the McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand, and I'm gonna apply it on this empty space right here on the lid. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with Drift, which is this color right here. It's like a brown, but a shimmery brown. So I'm going to apply this. No, it's like a blue, like a gunmetal blue. I'll make sure to blend that gunmetal blue into the brown, like so. Now I'm gonna go back in with that brown, no additional product, and just blend that brown into the gunmetal. Maybe add a little bit more. Like so. Alright, now I'm going to get a Morphe x Mickey & Friends MM3 brush. It's just a very small shader brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Big Sky, which is this turquoise blue. And I'm going to apply that to this inner part to bring some brightness. It's like an aqua blue. That color is so pretty. So pretty. Now I'm going to use the blending brush. We used that caramel color. And we're just going to blend everything in the crease. Like so. I really love this aqua blue. It's so pretty. And I don't think I've used it either. Of course, I gravitated towards all the like warm colors, the orange, copper, pinks. So, but yeah, this looks really pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Alrighty, so this is what the eyes are looking like. As you can see, I have a little bit of fallout, but that doesn't bother me too much just because this is why I do my eyes first. I'm going to clean it out and of course then, you know, do a liner, lashes, and then do my face. I know it looks a little like, girl, what are you doing? But it's going to come through towards the end. Trust the process. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to jump off camera, do the face, and then I'll come back to show you the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Using, of course, this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This baby right here. I love it. I know I say this about every look, but I truly do. This teal color is so pretty. I mean, it's a little bit grungy, but we gotta try different things. We can't stick to the same thing, right? Right. So yes, this is the look that I came up with using this eyeshadow palette. It's a beautiful palette. Love the color story. It has a little bit of everything, and yeah, I'm hoping to pull it out for 2023 and create more looks using this palette. So thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.